Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to approve a sponsor request on Cash App. First, of course, you need to open up Cash App, make sure you're logged into your account. Then I want you to navigate to the Activity tab, okay? You just tap on the clock icon at the bottom right, you'll find. This is basically the Activity tab. Here you'll see your, pending requests, including any sponsorship requests. Then all you need to do is you need to find the sponsor request in the pending transactions. Just tap on the request to go ahead and view the details. And if everything looks good, just go ahead and tap approve to accept it. And the funds or sponsorship will be processed immediately. Okay. And after approving, you will receive a confirmation notification, and the transaction will now appear in your activity history. And if it involves funds, you can just check your Cash App balance to verify the update. Okay, it's really that easy and simple, guys. If you're having any trouble, if no request is showing, maybe ask the sender to resend it. And if the approval button is not working, try closing, reopening Cash App. If you're still having issues, contact Cash App support through the app. Right? It's that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.